Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Realme Q5 Pro, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up this device first time. Firstly, click Next button, then select your language and click Next. Then find here your region, for example Austria, click Next. Then click Realme Smart Button User Agreement, User Privacy Policy, and click Next. Then you need to connect to the Wi-Fi network if you want to set up your Google account. If you don't want to do it now, so just click Skip. Scroll down, click Accept. Then you can use your device using gestures navigation or navigation buttons. If you want to use buttons, just choose buttons. If you want to use gestures, just click gestures and click Next. Here you can set up your unlock method. I want to set up password, and here you can choose between numeric, pattern or alphanumeric. Alphanumeric is letters and letter symbols and numbers. Numeric, these numbers only, or pattern, it's a pattern. So I want to use pattern, so just set your pattern and confirm it. Wait a while, click Done, and get started. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.